Today is August 5th. It is around 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'm packing up my room right now. I'll show y'all. This is the third place I've been living in. Girl, I'm taking these paper towels with me. Everything is really pretty much cleaned up. I'm just gonna take my sheets and everything. That curtain is ugly. But, I'm heading out to Knoxville tomorrow to visit my best friend Christina, and I'll be there for a couple days, and then on Thursday the 8th I'll be in Bloomington, Indiana. So I just wanted to get a little quick glimpse of me still here in Brevard, North Carolina, and I will film a little bit in Tennessee, and then I will show you my new apartment in Bloomington. Stay tuned. Better call August 6th, around 8:30ish. That's when I'm supposed to go into work. I finished moving out everything, so I'm just about to work till about 12:30, 1 maybe, and then my boss said we're good to go. Mosquito. And then I'm heading out to Knoxville. Girl, my car is loaded up again. It's a lot less full than when I drove up here from Florida, but I will check in when I'm driving back to Tennessee. Earlier than I thought. We were supposed to start moving at around 12, but the guy started coming over at 8:30, so girl, it's sad my office is so empty, but it's been a good summer. Office is completely torn apart. My computer is gone. Sad face. Well, y'all, that wraps up Brevard 2019. I'm leaving campus right now. I said my rounds of goodbyes to everyone that was left. So we'll see. I may be back next year for another summer. But for now on, we're heading on up north. And I'll check in with you guys in Knoxville. Hey y'all, so I have made it to Knoxville. It is about 1:20 or so. I had to cash a check real quick from Panera back in Ocala that I never could cash because the online deposit was not working and there was no SunTrust near me in North Carolina. So just deposited my check, but it'll give me some Chick-fil-A, and then I'm gonna go see my best friend Christina and my cousin Anna, and we're gonna kiki, and I'll talk to you later. So I just got a pedicure. Don't look. Oh, my feet are nice and cute now. Now we're going to this bakery. Chloe. Hey guys, I am shipping out from Knoxville. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I have to be in Indiana at 11 for my move-in inspection, so I had to leave really early. I'm at Waggles. I'm getting gas right now, filling up, and I'll be on the road. Well, she's done already. So it's pretty dark right now. I'm not sure how much scenery I'll be to show. I know there's a lot of corn in Indiana. That's about all I know. But if I don't see you between here and there, I'll see you in Bloomington.
Around now, down now, to the floor now.
Still got an hour and a half to go, but I'm officially in Indiana. Well, I am 9 miles away from my apartment, and I'm still in corn and trees. So I'm guessing I'm either in the city or I'm in the country, because that's how I was looking at right now. There must be a very small city, or not small, but it's just a city, and then abruptly it goes into country. There's corn, but I will let y'all know when I actually get somewhere. Girl, I finally made it. There's Chick-fil-A, and the mall's over there, Target. This is like one of the main streets, and the school is straight ahead about another 5 miles. But I'm about to turn soon. Girl, what? They got an IU move in the 18th to the 21st. Good thing I came early. I guess they're talking about there's traffic. Oh, there's Panera. Girl, I'm so excited! There's CVS. I went on Google Maps and I walked around everything, so I know where I'm at, child. My apartment is right across the bus. My bus stop is right here. My apartment is right over there. Y'all, I'm here at my complex. Girl, I can see Ulta from over here, but I'm gonna go use the bathroom because I ain't got keys yet, and I don't get keys for about 30 minutes. So I'm about to go somewhere and use the bathroom, and I'll be back and I'll show you my empty apartment. It's the empty apartment tour. This is like the living room area. We're getting Wi-Fi set up. This is the kitchen. She's serving me a little 70s, little less century, but I'm gonna have to get with. We got a little closet. Girl, this is the bathroom. Once again, she's a little outdated, but girl, we gonna do it. We're gonna do it. My roommate's bedroom is in there. My bedroom is in here. I'm gonna put my bed against the wall right here. My little end table is gonna go right here. This is the biggest closet I've ever had. I'm normally used to like just this size, but then there's more in here, so it's like a double closet. I'm gonna put this mirror against the wall over there, and then I'm gonna put the 8-shelf cube thing right here. So that's the empty apartment tour, real quick. Like, I will do a fully furnished apartment tour once everything is done. So